Morning, everybody. We're out on a new lake here today. Sessions Lake. Never fished it before. My dad just fished it Thursday night in a kayak derby. It's a really small lake. It's an all-no lake. Looking at some good looking weeds here for maybe a topwater bite. My dad said he was getting some on frogs the other day, but I guess we'll see what happens. It's about 6:40, 6:45, and first cast here in a minute. Started off with a bait caster with a frog on it. The frog has a prop on the back of it, so it makes a lot of noise. Then I switched to another bait caster I brought that had one of my favorite spooks tied on. My dad just missed one on, I don't know what he's throwing. I can't tell from here. I got one. Senko. Skinny. Probably should have had my pliers out. It's just wedged enough. First one. It's got the blotches. You can see those blotches on the dorsal fin. He's got one right here. And back he goes. It's shallow.
I'll let you crank one up in that mop and pull out of there. That looks like a better one.
He's not as long as that last one.
Looks pretty fat though, healthy.
Number 2. Yeah, real nice, healthy one. Meanwhile, after that fish catch, my dad caught this really nice bass. Eating bugs, eating gills. Mm-hmm.
Oh, nice. Yeah, I'm gonna throw a frog over with this log in front of me.
He choked it.
Well, that's a better one.
It's not. Number 3.
taking those size all night the other night. You would have caught 5 of those, you probably wouldn't.
Number 4, fat. Just lost one. Once again, camera goes dead. I'm gonna resolve that issue here soon, hopefully. I'm gonna keep following these surface weeds around. They kind of go like this and back around, so I'm gonna keep following them and see if we can get some more fish. Disappointed that there's one. Yeah, probably my best one of the day. Come here, bud. Well, yeah. Barely hooked. There you go. Yeah, this is. Yeah, this is a nice little guy. Number 6. Yeah, Lake Fork. This bait right there. My dad says you need to make this again. He won money on that bait in a kayak tournament, but it works pretty dang good. In a really good spot. Tall weeds here, deep weeds here. Oh, came off. Maybe not. Maybe go. This has got to be a better one. Yeah. No, don't get everything wet. Pops out just like that. Number 7. Beautiful. I love bass so much. Little change of plans here. There's some minnows. Look like maybe killifish, I'm not sure. I'm sitting in the weeds, casting deeper to the deeper weeds. It's a nice one. Look, they all look really healthy. Hang in there, bud. Number 8. Oh, uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, God. Big one. Big one. Big. 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 Oh my God. That's at least a 3.5, maybe 4. Of course, the GoPro's not running for this one. Come here, bud. No! 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 Hook popped right out of his mouth. His head went down. I touched his body and he swam right under my kayak. That was a 3.5, if not 4 all day. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Well, I kind of figured out maybe what happened. I may have just put my drag too loose, but I mean, I set the hook. But you can see this. He did that. So the hook probably just didn't get buried all the way like it should have. Barb didn't get good enough penetration. So that really hurts, but I'm still shaking. Still shaking. That, I mean, is what it is. I mean, still out there, probably more somewhere, so we'll keep fishing, shake that one off. But man, that's disappointing. Yeah, like that bass I hooked would have made yours look small. Unless it was close. I know it was bigger than yours. I just don't know how big.
Yeah, there was a tournament out here last year, and the top, got one?
Yeah. This is a nice one.
Top 3 bass were 5 pounds. It's not weedy, but it's got that perfect, where the weed, not really ambush, but just to swim clear and look. DNR, do you see DNR driving?
No. Did you just cast next to me?
Yeah.
Number 9.
I knew the weather was going to be funky, so I kind of stayed closer to the line. Oh, that one's kind of fun.
I was about to throw my spook.
Oh, I didn't think of that. That's a good idea.
I threw it a little bit earlier. It's number 10. I got one buried in the weeds here. freaking choked it. That's number 11.
Yeah, catching some bass. Oh, catching some bass. Yeah, I caught one of 3.5 pounds.
Probably 2.5.
Yeah, I fished a tournament here Thursday, and I got 8, high for 7, but I was 4 inches from winning, and I caught the fish I caught today was one. So that was a
Number 12.
could be bluegill snapping it too. They're not holding on.
If this doesn't yield a fish, there's one following it.
That's what I was saying, they're loaded in here. Yeah, probably. I don't know if I'll make it up tomorrow or not. It won't be today. You need me to get up there and move it? Okay. Yeah, I'm thinking maybe Tuesday, because John's got to work Monday, and we thought about maybe go up and see the boys on Tuesday.
It's number 13. So after that fish catch, the bite really slowed down. Continued to record on my phone for another half hour before giving up on it. Just kind of went free fishing with no recording going on. Ended up catching numbers 14, 15, 16, and finished up on number 17 shortly before we were done for the day. Fished quite a while. I think we fished till 11 o'clock or so. But Sessions Lake is a really fun lake, even though it is small. Lots of fish to be caught, and it was great to go and try out a new lake. So, oh, by the way, we did resolve our battery issue. I ordered a big extended battery pack that should give us plenty more recording time on the water. So we'll see you guys next time.